First. Let's go get your helmet. Get your helmet back.
Where's my bag? Don't lose it. Look! David! Look! David! A bouncy ball!
Dom! It ain't out. Get you ready to back.
What is mine? How much in here? Imagine your name was what? Imagine Buddy! Buddy! Oh, mine. No!
Easton! Where's Easton? You're gonna be next right here, puppy.
Blue! 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 What are you doing? You guys are not in the base. The guy's coming back to the foul ball.
Okay, you're gonna be next.
Blue.
Sit down, guys. Sit down. Get a rest. It's gonna be David and then Buddy and then Noah.
Facing the pitcher. There.
Who's after Easton? Who after Easton?
David.
David.
Oh, he didn't run! No, he didn't run!
Now batting for the Texas Tornado, number 20, Ismael Rivera Jr.
David, you're gonna be next. Right here.
Start, Papa.
Right here. Everyone else sit down. After David is Buddy.
Number 10, Easton.
Yes, after Buddy is gonna be Noah.
Right here, Ethan. Right here, Papa. That's too high. Lower the feet. Ethan. Lower the feet. It's too high. Lower it. There. There you go. Go, Papa. Go, go, go. Ethan. Go. Venga. Open. Open the second. Open the second. Open the second. Open. 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 Back. Good, Papa. Good. Ismael, good hit, Papa. Good run.
Now batting for the Texas Tornadoes, number 23, David Pena.
Tercera, David. La tercera, Papa. Go, 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 go. like that, Papa.
Now batting for the Texas Tornadoes. Number 2.
No, Dom, you're gonna be next. Here's Dom. You're gonna be next.
He already batted it, right? Oh, he can run it.
I think she got injured.
Buddy,
It was an accident.
take a knee.
Find the hole, no,
Now
find the hole,
batting
Papa.
for the
Find the hole.
Texas Tornadoes. Number 11. Noah Renteria.
Una base nomás, just one base. Find the hole, no, find the hole, Papa. Look wherever it's open. Look wherever it's open. You guys gotta move.
Ah.
After Dominic, it's gonna be Adrian. Stand right here, Papa.
Go, David, go, David. Bring it in, boys, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.
You're good, Papa. You're good.
Get in the shade, boys. Get in the shade. Get in the shade. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Put your helmet in your back right there. Well, Johnson.
Hey, glove, Captain Glove, Captain Glove, Captain Glove, Captain Glove. Hey, everybody listen up. When you guys are running home, if the catcher gets in front of you, like right now, I don't know if you guys saw, hey, just run straight. Run it straight. Alright? Because he's trying to get you to stop or slow down. Alright? You have to run him through. Run him through. Hey, we catch, we throw. Ready? You guys know the lineup. Right now we're going to have Easton, where you at? You're going to be pitcher, Papa. Okay? Noah and Maya, you guys are going to be outfield. Okay, you're going to be outfield. Hey, catch the ball, throw it. Okay? Catch the ball, throw it. If you guys have, it's grass, you guys have to be aggressive. Yes, you guys have to come get the ball and give a good throw. Get as close enough as you can to make it to the base, okay? I don't want to rush throw. Get it? Step, a good throw. That's all I want. When we practice this batting was not our best batting. We gotta be better. It's a big.
Lower, Papa. You're in control here.
Nobody should be rushing you. When you're in the tee, you guys lower it. You guys take your time. Nobody should be rushing. Even if the blue says hit, you guys still blue. Wait, please. Nobody should be rushing you. I don't want to see those rolling balls, those foul balls, those balls right there. We got to do better. We can do better when we have to do better. There's a pasó un accidente ayer en la tarde, güey.
¿Mande?
Pasó un accidente ayer en la tarde en mi jale. Today in the
hombre.
morning again. Vamos a go. Venga, let's go, boys. Take the field. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Take the field.
Come on,
Vamos. Go, 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 go. Forward, boys, they're forward. Go, 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 go! That's never gonna get there, buddy. That's never gonna get there. Hey! Hey! bar ready. I only want to tell you guys once. Ready, bar ready. Let's go. What are you doing, David? David, you play first. What are you doing?
New batting, number 7, Darian Regalado.
All right. First. That's on the third. Ready? Big bar ready. Stop. Let's go back off. Back to Arjun. Buddy, run this first to Arjun. You're going to go to your left. You go first. Ethan, go first. Go, 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 hurry. Go, hurry. Hurry, get back, get back. I don't know what's going on with you. Control the scores, haven't made it to the base. Houston, I'll throw you the glove, but not to go down. Ready? Let's go, Bob, let's go. Let it go. Hey, how's that first? Don't worry about the runners. Up you, Noah. Hands down, Papa. Base ball ready, dude. Base ball ready. Everybody, let's go. As soon as the ball's in the tee. Arjun, main catcher, Arjun. Hey, first base, let's go. We almost go. Come on, right that's not base already. Come on, buddy. Go! Go! Buddy! Go, Carmina! Buddy! You don't have the arm, let me know, Puppy. I'll put someone that has the arm. Buddy, come forward! Buddy, come forward! Hey! There. Go forward, Papa. Base catcher ready. Arjun, base catcher, Papa. Throw me a base and then hold the ball. Catch. Then go first, Papa. Throw it first. Put the ball, Romeo. Get it. Hard. Ready, Lance. Cover.
That is number 13.
Hey, we're down.
Yeah.
Catcher, be ready. Grounder to catcher, boys. Grounder to catcher. Go! I got out! Good throw.
New batting, number 15, Caden Rodriguez.
David! Take this. Still camouflage for the grass. Go first, boys. Go first. Arjun, base third, Papa. Base third. Ready, guys.
One more
Go
out,
first,
guys.
boys. Go first. Don't worry about the runner. Go first. Hey, give me a hard screen. That's yours.
One more out. Let's go.
Go!
Right
Hurry. Catch her. Bye. Bring it in. Come on here. Terrible. Why did you throw it to the dog? When are you going to throw it to the ball? If they don't show that you can catch it. You got to throw it to the ball. And better back. Venga, tornado on through. The last time we played that ugly. Who's next?
Everyone put on your helmet. Dominant. Somebody get that in your head. Why are you not playing? Here. Actually, let him go. Dominic, Adrian, Arjun, and Ismail.
You ready, boys? I already called your name. Arcade. They're right here. Look at your feet. Why are you playing over there to the outside of the field? ¿Por qué no estás pointing para allá para afuera? Wherever you're going, that's where the ball goes. I don't want to foul on it. Look at your feet. Where your feet are pointing, that's where the ball's going. Look at your feet, Papa. Wherever your feet are pointing, get out. Hey. That's where the ball's going.
Oh, yes.
Running like a warrior, Papa.
Hold it. Hold it like this.
Nail back for the Texans. Tornado. Number 9. Idris Lopez.
Good job, Dan. Good run, Papa. Good run. Boys, hey, I need strong hits. Strong hits.
Number 17. RJ Lopez.
Get ready. Oh, you good? Go.
Run, Arjun.
Hurry. What is that?
Viva Costa.
For the Texas Tornado. Number 20. Ismael Rivera Jr.
Right there, Papa, blow it.
Tornadoes. Number 23. David Pena. For the Texas Tornadoes. Number 2. Tornadoes. Number 11.
Oh, he's done. Sit down, get your gloves and caps, sit down, get your gloves and caps, sit down. You didn't look at the hole, puppy, you didn't find the hole. You need it straight to second base. Sit down, boy, sit down, get your caps and gloves. Captain gloves. No, you're gonna be catcher right now.
Guys, let's be ready, guys. Let's be ready.
Hey, I need a good throw. There's no reason why this team is scoring 5 runs on us. I need a good throw. Understood? Third inning, we're gonna switch outfield to infield. Venga, let's get on the field, Get good throws, Arjun, are you gonna catch the ball? You want me to put someone on first? Okay. Tere, pon mi cap para no get the catch. Outfield. Behind Arjun. Behind Dom and Tech. Behind Dom. You can Arjun and Dom. Good job. Okay.
Number 10, Carolina Aguirre.
first, boys. Good throw. Hey.
Good job, Isaiah.
I need to run it. Whoever goes it first is gonna get it. Oh, get it. Call it. Go second, boys. Stop him a second. Ethan, stop him a second. Stop him ready. Mael, be ready. Stop him a second. Get it. Stop him a second.
Adrian, cover second over there. Outfield.
I'm gonna be playing some games soon.
Second. Hurry. Good try, David. Good try. Stop him at third, boys. Stop him at third. Stop him at third. Touch. Hey, second. You have a runner first and second, right? Hold it. He's good. Go to first. 12. Stop him at third, boys. Stop him at third. Aaron, avoid the screaming. We're trying to tell them third and first. You got too many parents.
Number 6.
Hey, there's a runner in third and second. You have 12. You gotta go to first. Stop him up first, boys. Go! Good job, hey, good throw, Papa. Good. Amazing, everybody. Amazing. Good. Looking at the ball. Why are you looking at the ball? Did I see it? That was good, puppy. Hey, Papa, these are where the practice is. You gotta practice. Is that too heavy? Want to buy with the black one today? Buy with the black one then. Buy with the black one. So remember, you need to extend. That's what we gotta practice. Extend.
Is that your phone? Your phone?
Because he's tired. Boys, do not throw the bats back. Do not throw the bats back when you hit. Okay, you already know. You hit, Papa, like practice. Venga, like practice. Vámonos. Boys, don't throw it to second. We have 3 outs on second. Don't throw it to second.
In the blood diet. The champion and then
Tired. Tired. Buddy, stay. Break.
Daddy, Dad, there's no water anymore.
Let's go. Count the gloves, count the gloves. Four. Let's go, boys. Got a bat. David, go to first. David. No, wait.
From Texas,
Buddy, hurry. David, you're second.
Buddy! Hurry up!
Who's after Buddy?
Oh, Noah!
Noah.
Buddy! 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 ¡Apúrala, Buddy! Buddy! ¡Ya, güey! Buddy! ¡Corta la pared!
Arken, Edrin. Hey, Johnny, relax. He's in the restroom. Like, he's in the restroom. Like, he has to go to a
I don't
restroom.
know what I said.
Arken.
Corre. You got him? Keep all of this. Keep all of this. You have no Yes, I do.
Find the hole, Papa. Find the hole. Bring it in, boys. Bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in. Right now you start, Papa. Right now you start. I was going to use my boot, but your hands are dirty. Hey. Catch, throw. Catch, throw. Noah, you're going first. Man, you're going third. Second. Venga. Third. First. David, Arken, you guys play outfield. Righty?
I go outfield.
Yeah, you back up Dom and Noah. David, you back up Ismael and Buddy. Turners on three. Venga.
1, 2, 3,
Listen to coach. Listen to coach. David, lay the grass line right there.
Number 4, Romeo
Head.
Up to your base if it doesn't go to you, Papa.
Dom, you ready, Dom? Stop him a second. Buddy. 2. Ahead. Go first. Throw it first. Romeo, be ready. Look at the ball, Noah. Look at the ball, Papa. Look at the ball.
Number 15,
go. Hey, we gotta be ready. Ready? Get low, boys. Get low. Get low. Baseball ready. Hey, what's baseball ready? There. Go first with my head. Throw it first. Mighty, go second. Everything. Go! Go cover. Good job.
Number 10, Carolina.
Hey, let's go out. Get it first.
Number 7,
Papa, you gotta quickly let it go first, Papa, quickly. Don't worry about it. Go first. Hold it. Hey, hold it. Second. Good job, Ismael. Good job.
now hitting number 9, Troyer Salinas.
Hey, one more, let's go. First, boys. Talk about first. Hey, don't worry about the running, Papa. Catch it. Let it go to first. Get the ball, David. Hold it. David. Get the ball. Nice, bro. Don't run. Hey, we gotta be ready. Stop him up first. Ismael, throw it first. First, he's in first. Bring it in, boys. Bring it in. Good try. No. I can tell you were fighting all the time. No, John Leader. the back. You gotta pick it up, remember? Face the catcher, and then you gotta step, okay? Just run with the white one. Come on, I'll go ahead, Papa.
The Texans, Tornadoes, number 11, Noah Renteria.
Go home. Just choke it up a little bit. Choke it up a little bit more. A little bit. Boys, go get the bat, Papa. You know what you make you want to get a bat.
Number 20, Ismael.
Ismael, good third. Ismael, good third. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 Papa. There you go. No beles, Papa. There you go. There you go. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.
Put that cup on the floor. Grab your gloves, guys. Hurry. Ethan, look him up on the floor.
Yeah, on the game. Come on, bring it in, third base. Venga, line, line, line. We want. Venga, line, line, line. Go, take your hands, guys.
We started off kind of bad.